Hi guys, Paul here again from Muscle Car UK and Pilgrim Motorsports. We've got a stunning 1965 classic Mustang for you here today. Unfortunately the weather not too good, so we can't do our normal sort of videoing outside, so we're doing it in the showroom at the moment. So because what I really wanted to show you was the quality of the paintwork on this car. If we'd have sent it outside you wouldn't see it, but under these lights you'll see that this sort of raven black colour is superb. The gentleman had it restored in Italy about 2.5 years ago by real top quality people over there. And if you can look at this car, the depth of this paintwork is absolutely gorgeous. The reflection from the lights above and everything else, it really does pick absolutely everything up. It's a stunning paint job, and it's been done beautifully. All the shut lines and everything else are just bang on. The gentleman spent a small fortune on this car, and obviously I'll describe that as we go through. We then sold it to another gentleman who wanted to use it for, we call it the 5-star rallying, which I'm sure many of you have seen. There's European tours where you go from one 5-star hotel to the next, etc., and there might be a hill climb or something involved in it. So the gentleman we sold it to wanted certain upgrades, which we'll also talk about a little bit later, throughout the car, just to make it very usable. And this car really is usable. It's a car, to be truthful, we could use it as a daily driver. We ourselves fitted the E-Pass electric power steering on it. We did it here at our Mustang workshop. We also did our 5-speed Tremec gearbox upgrade. We've done dampers upgrade all the way around. We've put anti-roll bar on the back. We've done lights to the front, tow hooks front and rear, sun protectors and a few other bits and pieces on this car, which really does set it off. But the gentleman started with a real top quality car and then has added value to it to make it look absolutely stunning. But as you can see, I mean, the black paint and the chrome, I mean, those two just go together so well. As you can see when you look down here, obviously it's got the lovely sort of Eleanor style grille on it with the little pony with the Mustang sign behind. The chrome's absolutely beautiful. Obviously it's got these spotlights, which as I'm sure you're aware, on most classic cars the lights aren't brilliant, so upgrading lighting is always good with bulbs, and we've had that done. Here we've got the tow hook just in case, which we put on as well. So walking around the car, whichever area you look at it, it's absolutely stunning. And when you can come and look round at these wheels in a sec. Now these wheels were put on, they're like a Ross style wheel done in grey, which were done mainly for the rallying side of it. He wanted something that was very solid and correct. Now personally I'm not a great lover of this on this car. I think a fantastic set of Magnums, or something that you would prefer yourself, would be best put onto this car, and that will be a no-cost upgrade on this car. We're just showing it as it is at the minute, but we're quite happy to put a set of as I say, Magnums or 5-spoke or American Racing torque thrusts or something like that on the car, so that you've got exactly what you want. And I think a wheel upgrade would look fantastic on this. So, but we don't want to spend the money yet because you might have a different decision on which way you want to go. So that would be different. All the chrome is absolutely perfect all the way through here. As we know, these quarter lights can suffer, but these are absolutely perfect. And again, the chrome looks stunning all the way through. If you come up through the car, I mean, it's great. I mean, you look at the way this door shuts. I mean, it's been done beautifully. There's not any clanging or banging, just nice solid clump as the door shuts, and done really well. So the whole car all the way around, underneath is beautiful as well. If we take a look at the back here, Grant, if you can come round, you can see it's got the lovely Mustang chrome gas cap. It's got the big bore exhaust coming out GT style here, so which is very attractive. Obviously you've got the reversing lights. Again, you've got a solid tow hook put on there properly, professionally by ourselves. So this car is something really special, and what I want to show you next is the interior, because the money that's been spent on this interior, I don't think I've ever seen anything like it. But let's have a quick look inside. As I said, it's quite special in this interior. Now the gentleman, again in Italy, his family own a very top quality leather restoration business, and they make sofas and everything else. So basically what he wanted to do was have the best quality leather put into this car. And as you can say, and you can smell it, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's like hardly ever been sat on. So this is all full leather. It's like kid leather. It's absolutely gorgeous. And all the way through, even in the back of the seats, if you can get in a little bit closer, I don't think these have ever been sat in. Just absolutely beautiful. Everything around the side's been done. All the paintwork, as you can see around here, so it's all been done correctly. And that runs all the way through. You've got new carpets all the way through, new headlining, new sun visors, new chrome inside, new dashboard, 65 dash with gauges, all new. You've got a rev counter here for obviously for race work, as it were. Again, the 5-speed Trimic, the beautiful Hurst shifter, Hurst gear knob. It's got the Mustang retro stereo, so that is the modern stereo that is made, that obviously looks like an old one, but it has all the internals, so Bluetooth, etc., etc. It can all work from there. Again, leather on the door cards, all done beautifully in a couple of different types of leather. You've got the plain and you've got the grained leather on the sides. All new door furniture. The black all through here, all down here. It's all just like brand new. The car is absolutely superb and one of the best coupes that we've had in stock. And if you're looking for something that, as I say, you can take around France or go on a European tour, or you just want to drive it on a daily basis. I know some of you guys and girls live in London and want something historic to run around in. This could be a fabulous car to do that, because it's had so much money spent on it. And the underside looks exactly the same as the top. It's really top quality all the way through. So even the kick panels, rubbers, it's pretty much had a full restoration over maybe 2 years ago. But we've done, as I say, some more upgraded work on it, which is making this car a very, very special car indeed. But it's just, I love these seats. They're just absolutely gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Well, let's have a look underneath the bonnet and see what's going on there. So here we have the V8 289. Car again, engine rather, was restored at the same time. So it was rebuilt around about 2 years ago with some uplifted cams in it, so to give it a little bit more power here and there. But if you actually look inside here, it's absolutely beautifully done. It's all been done satin, which is the correct colour that it should have inside the bonnet, in this satin colour. It's obviously got the strengtheners, the Monte Carlo bar, strengtheners here, export brace through here. I don't know if you get in here, Grant, but you've got the servo here. Now the servo system on here supports discs front and rear. I forgot to mention that. So you've got discs at the back, discs at the front, giving you real good stopping power and precision when you're driving it. Again, you're not seeing a power steering pump because we fitted electric power steering to this car, so it drives very much like a modern car. But beautifully upgraded all throughout here. All the chassis in beautiful condition, we can see down here. Look at the paintwork on the underside of the bonnet. I know I always say this, you can tell a good paint job by the way it's done, but that is absolutely gorgeous. The depth and so smooth and beautiful just underneath the bonnet, it's gorgeous, and that helps all the chrome reflect. So if you were going to go to a show or something like that, then obviously you've got a situation here where you undo the bonnet and everyone's like, wow. Undo the door, wow. The colour, stunning, you know. It ticks all the boxes, this car, and drives fabulously. If you really want a top driving car, then this is the car to come and have a go at and see if you can really enjoy it. Sorry about the noise, but we've got V8s going around here all the time, especially around our Mustang workshop, so apologies to that. But again, come down, have a drive, have a look at this car, but if you really want the top car, this is possibly the one for you. Here we are driving this fabulous 65 coupe. Really is beautifully, the way it's been so well appointed, you know, and then our client put so much more onto it, this car. Unfortunately, due to ill health, the rallies that it was designed to go on, unfortunately, no longer can go. So the car's all prepped, all ready to go, just needs a new owner to take it and have some fun with it. So if you wanted to tour around Europe, go through the mountains, everything else, this could be the car for you. Or if you wanted something that's just really exceptional, really top quality car with this beautiful interior. It's like driving a modern car, to be honest, with the power steering, electric power steering, the new gearbox, 5-speed Trimic in it. ideal for motorway work. It's all been done. The job's done. It's just, it needs someone to come and get it and have some fun in it and enjoy it, you know. So come down and have a look and take for a run and come around these beautiful, although slightly muddy roads today, in the South Downs here, and enjoy driving it, because it certainly is a great car to drive. Of course, a manual gearbox in a Mustang is always fun to have as well. So it drives really well. It does just pick up its heels and go, these V8s.